Hello, welcome back to C4Coffee. This is the 5-minute summary for lecture 2. And today we're going to do some real stuff. For that, we need to get the tools ready first. And the compilers are the basis of the basis you have to get. So I'm talking about the command line compiler. If you have joined our lab session, you should already have the GCC installed. Most people are working on Windows, and in that case, you should install main.gw. And I'm not going to repeat that part today. If you can refer to our tutorial. However, I noticed a lot of students, they are not familiar with Windows storage organization, and especially the command line tool. Here I'm going to do a brief short tutorial about that part first. To start to programming with better organization, most of the time you need a folder as your workspace. These are steps for that. Once you create a folder, and you can actually access that folder or directory through the command line. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Okay, here is my Windows, and if you open the my computer or something, my PC or something, you could see the organization here. They are basically organized by drive, and I have the C drive, D drive, and most of the time I'm working on this P drive, but you probably have different drive. Okay, I will prepare a workspace. In this case, I knew a folder. I named them as workspace. Okay, if you click in, you could see this workspace has nothing there. If you click here, you will see the path of that directory or folder. A path is like an address of your house. So you can use that path through CMD command line as well. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, now we're in C drive. Most of the time, you are in C drive. In case you're in C drive, you can switch to the drive you want by doing this. Here I want to go the workspace I created. So you will see here I'm in the workspace. So right now, anything you do in a command line will be reflected in that folder. Let me just create one text file, and I rename it with the extension C. Okay, pick C there. Then I can display the content of that folder. Now you could see the pick C is there. However, currently the pick C has nothing there. Let me copy a program to there. Okay, we can use the example we have in the lecture 1. This is to paint a picture. Okay, I copy that code, save that code. Then the coding is done. Then I can go back to this. I can close it actually. Then I can run a compiler to translate our program into the machine language 0 and 1. Pig.c. Okay, that's it. Then you could see from here there is a pig.exe. It's actually application. It's the same as the other application you have, like the PowerPoint, like the Word, like the browser. It's all like this .exe. So you can run this application here, which paint a picture on screen, and also actually you can run it from here And also, however, it's running too fast. I'm going to let me show you another example. Maybe it's better for you to understand that you can run an application from anywhere as long as you have the path of that application. So the next one is a game which we use in lecture 1. Right now it's empty there. Let me copy that code. It's a game for rock, paper, scissors. So okay, let me copy that code to here, and I save it. Then I close it. Right now you see the game.c, it's already there. Then I run a GCC to compile that file. It's a game. Okay, right now you see there is a game there. This time I'm going to run from here by double click it. Yeah, I run the file. Right now you should see that I can enlarge the font so you can have a better view of that. Okay, here is a game. We can play paper, scissors, rock, paper, scissors. I gave a rock there. The computer gave a paper, so I lose. The computer win. Then I do rock again. The same. I do rock again. Now it's a draw. I do the rock again. Rock again. Now I win. You could see from here. That's a game. So I can quit by typing E. Okay, and also as I mentioned, you can actually send this to desktop to create a shortcut where you can run it from there as well. See here, this time I use paper. Paper. Okay, I win. Okay, that's it. Right now you can also use dir to see there are 4 files in your workspace there. Okay, you create a real application. You can send this application to your friends who is using Windows as well, so she or he should be able to run this application. There are similar steps in MicroOS. You can follow these slides to do it. Here is a summary for the commands you have to use for your reference.